Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. It's me, Janae from Around the Way, and I got a lot to talk to y'all about today. Y'all, we reached 200 subscribers. I know to some people that may not be a lot, but that means the world to me. And remember, I said that if we make it to 200 subscribers, I want to do a giveaway. Now, I got to come up with some details about this, and I'm going to get back with y'all. I promise y'all in the next video. And also, I want to apologize for taking so long to make another video. But y'all, life has been lifing. So with that being said, let's get into this cleaning video. Y'all gonna see my daughter, my husband, my cats, and my babies. The boys might not be in this video, but they around. Okay, y'all. So we're gonna start out in this room by taking out a lot of stuff and moving things around. Probably not getting rid of it because y'all, I'm low-key a hoarder. But yeah, we gotta make some room for something that I'm gonna tell y'all about soon. I'm always making cleaning videos, but I really need to start doing like organizational videos, or hell, I need to start organizing my stuff, period. Like, I think I'm clean, but I hide my hoard very well. Like, I don't know if you'll be able to see it in this video, but right here to your right hand side, it's a whole nother room right there, and the room is just filled with stuff, and we need to clear that out. We need to make space. We need to move stuff around, and for right now, we're going to turn this into a playroom because the two littles, they need somewhere to play. Like, I'm tired of stepping on Legos and tripping over cars and stuff. So I'm trying to have them a designated space and just somewhere where we can all kind of just hang out at. I mean, that's what we was using this room for anyway, but I had a heavy bag down here. We had the old baby crib down here. It's just a lot going on. So right now, y'all just gonna see me trying to move stuff around and organize it. It took me a few days, but we getting it done. Y'all see my little chunky man helping me out. He's so sweet. This mama's sweet boy. Oh goodness, I forgot to tell y'all. So this is gonna be like the first video in I guess like my cleaning the New Year series. I don't know. I gotta work on the name. But I don't know. When I grew up, we cleaned the whole house for New Year's. Like, everything had to be spotless. All clothes had to be washed, all trash had to be taken out of the house. And I kind of want to carry on that tradition. Now, the one thing we do not do is we do not wash clothes on January the 1st. On New Year's, you do not wash clothes. If you do that, I don't know, my mama always said you washing somebody out of your life, and I don't want no parts in that, but I might save a load of laundry for somebody. I don't know. We not gonna get into that, but that was one of the things that we always did. And another one was, my mama she would not walk in the house or not let anybody else walk into her house unless a man walked in her house first on New Year's. She still believes in this to today. Like, she's probably gonna call my husband and ask him to come walk through her house on New Year's for her. I don't know what it means. I don't know what it symbolized. I have to ask her and get back with y'all on that. But yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do like a series, like a part 1 or some episodes. I don't know. I be seeing people do it all the time, so I gotta figure out how to work it out. I'm still a new channel, y'all. But I feel like y'all rocking with me, and we like cousins now. We like first cousins. So we gotta come up with a name. Like, what y'all want to be called? Y'all want me to be like, hey cousins? Or do y'all still like that? Hey y'all, how y'all doing? I don't know. But either way, we gonna work some stuff out. And I just really appreciate y'all for being here while my channel growing. Y'all, if you don't have a carpet shampooer, I highly recommend it. Like, this thing been a game changer for me. I think I spent like $89 at Walmart for it, and it ain't let me down yet. I kind of wish that it had like a self-cleaning feature, but other than that, we locked in. Y'all, check out this transformation. Like, when I tell you, you can sit here and you can see the difference. Yeah, I didn't even know this rug was this nasty. But yeah, get you one. Big rugs, carpet, all of that. Get you a carpet cleaner. It's gonna upgrade you, I'm telling you. So here it is the next day. It don't take a whole day for the carpet to dry. I was just tired and I just decided to finish it the next day. But yeah, y'all gonna see me doing a little stuff around in here, organizing some things, moving some stuff around, going through toys and stuff. But my microphone about to die, so that's about to be it for this video. Well, not for the video, but for the voiceover. But y'all, I'm looking to the giveaway. The next video I come out with, I have some details enough for y'all, because y'all deserve it. And I really appreciate y'all for watching me, subscribing, and continue to watch me. So y'all enjoy the rest of y'all week, and I will get back with y'all next time. Love you. Bye.